To create to create a Steam account, just go to any web browser and then type in Steam, click on it, and then go to Welcome to Steam. In the top right, click on Sign In. Now you want to scroll down and then click on Create an Account. You want to put in your email address, confirm your email address, your country of residence. You want to put in your email address. You want to put in your email address, confirm your email address, and your country of residence, and then select your country of residence, and then click on I am human. Scroll down. You can read the Steam subscriber agreement. Once you've read all of that, tick the box. You have to be at least 13 years of age or older and agree to these terms. You have to be at least 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. You can read them both right here, and then click on continue. It's then going to send an email. It's going to send you an email so that you can confirm. You then want to verify your email. It will send you an email so that you can confirm that this is your correct email address. This is what the email looks like. Once you get this email, you want to click on verify my email address. After you verify your email address, it will then take you to here. You want to create your Steam account. So choose your Steam account name. Then and then you want to choose your password. Once you've done that, and then click on done. It's now creating your Steam account. You have now made your Steam account. If you want to you have now made your Steam account. You can search the store if you want to for some games, and you can install the Steam desktop application right here. That's how you do it.